Hi guys, why am I even looking at the light? I got a new light, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaale, and today I have on my retainer, so excuse the way I will be speaking. uh, I haven't had it on in a while, so now the gap is opening, coming back. I know some of y'all love the grip, but like it's a health hazard to me, so we need to close the gap back up. So don't mind my retainer, don't mind the way I'll be speaking. So today I'm gonna do what? A blue cloud look. I'm gonna try and do that to create a look that I saw from Nikki tutorials and a bunch of other people on Pinterest. Cause today's what is blue. So let's get right to it. I will be right back with my bros on. Alright. This is back, bro, darling. Okay, I'm back with my eyebrows on. So I'm gonna be using this palette. Obviously, don't know what I have so many blues. I got the blues baby today. So I hope I don't have any little lip stains. Let me pull you guys in close. I'm gonna do one eye and do the other one off camera, because you know what? We ain't got time like that. Y'all are pulled in. Y'all are in here with my crow eyebrows. Don't mind the concealer. Don't mind my brush falling apart. Don't mind anything. Just focus on the eye look. Alright, so let's do this eye first, because it always turns out better than the other one. Going in with my blue. Okay, I think that's enough blue. Light blue anyway. I'm gonna go in with the dark blue. What's indigo? What's indigo? Okay, let me pause on the blue. We're gonna use some clouds with my Inglot. Where's the wedding Inglot? There it is. I'm gonna make clouds. I'm gonna make clouds now. Let's see if I can do the clouds. This is so much work, guys. This is so much work, guys. Now for the stars. Okay, guys, my eye is red. It is tired, but this is done. This is done. Let me go and do the other side, because the struggle that I had on this side, guys, I hope it's not the struggle on this side. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Wow, my eyes are red. It's because of all this eye drawing, but this is the final look. I think I put too many stars, but it's whatever. What do you guys think? Well, this was a tad bit hard, but not that hard. So I think this side better. So yeah, I did this. Now I'm gonna put the rest of the foundation on my face. So should I do that on camera or not? I don't even know. If the video is too long, I'm gonna cut it off. But I wonder where the battery is at. I need this for my pictures. Alright. Guys, would you have been up to on this Easter Sunday? What would you be doing if it wasn't coronavirus, quarantine, lockdown items? What would you have been up to? If I wasn't in Lesotho, I was gonna be chilling at home. I'm really chilling with my babe. I'm using the usual foundations that I have. the pump on the next one stopped working for some reason. Now I always have to open it manually. So annoying. Close it. I think I should increase this. Yes. Gonna use my fingers. So, I was just using the brush. Now I can't find it. Okay, you know what? I'll be back. I will be back with the face done. Okay, guys. Why is this light doing this to me? Okay, we're done. This is the final look. Tell me what you guys think of it. I like my little clouds. Really. I'm on cloud 9, my niggas. I'm on cloud 9. I'm on cloud 9. We're on cloud 9. We're feeling high. We're feeling hot. You know? But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're gonna try to do this look, and if you do recreate this look that I recreated, please tag me on the picture on Instagram at Kaale Laughs Alot. Give me a follow if you want to follow me already, and give this video a like, a thumbs up if you really like it. If you love this look, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below what you think of it, and tell me what you guys would have been doing if it wasn't corona lockdown quarantine situation that we're in. Tell me what you would have been doing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and remember to keep calm and laugh a lot. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.